Have you ever been
This
out
is
on a
my
hike
first
and wondered
impression
what the
review
beauty
of the
around you looks
Autel
like
Nano
from above?
Plus.
Photography
I've had a few
drones let you
drones over the
capture a
past few
bird's eye
years,
view,
and
giving
so
you a
far
new
this one's
perspective
by
on your
far the
surroundings
easiest
and
to
your place
control,
within them.
and it has the best picture
Depending on what
quality.
you're looking to do,
At
photography
just
drones have a
249
number of useful
grams, this
features.
drone really packs
Some
in
can
the
be
features.
programmed to follow you from a
That
set
also means
distance,
that it's under the
capturing
size
everything
limit
that
for
you do and see,
registration as a
perfect for
recreational
bikers,
drone,
boarders,
but there's
boaters,
definitely
or
some
anyone on the
regulations that
move.
you still have to
Others
follow.
take super high
So I
quality
highly
footage that can be
recommend that you
slotted
check
right
out your
into any
local
movie
rules and
project you might be
regulations
working
before
on.
flying to
Some
avoid any
basically fly
issues.
themselves, while
A good
others give you
app to
total
refer
control.
to is Before You
Through
Fly.
hours of product research,
For
we
my
found
first
5
flight
of the
here,
best,
I didn't want to
most
mess around
versatile
too
drones
much with
available
all
on
the
Amazon
preset
to get you
modes.
started.
I just wanted to see how hard it would be to
Number
fly.
1. Holy Stone HS100. The Holy Stone RC drone is a lower cost, quality option great for drone photography beginners. This drone includes a number of features to make flying easier, including a large body and powerful motors for stability, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing. The 2K Wi-Fi camera offers a 120-degree field of view, a selfie and follow mode, and live video streaming to your phone, in addition to recording and capturing stills. Run the drone from an app on your phone, the included transmitter, or a combination of the two. With an 18-minute flight time, protected by an auto-return feature when the battery gets low, this drone will let you capture stunning aerial photography anywhere you go. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. Weighing as much as an average smartphone, the DJI Mavic Mini Combo Quadcopter is the ultimate portable photography drone. The small size doesn't sacrifice much, however. The camera can take 12-megapixel photos or 4K Ultra HD video, all on a motorized gimbal for footage stability. In addition, it has a 31-minute flight time, resistance to up to 21 mph winds, and a max altitude of 4,000 meters. And with a maximum 10-kilometer transmission distance, you don't need to worry about the drone getting out of range. Finally, the included carrying case fits easily into your backpacks or luggage, so you can take it with you anywhere. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro. The Ruko F11 Pro photography drone delivers professional quality in an easy-to-fly package. The camera features 4K stills and 2.9K high-def video, with a 120-degree field of view and a 90-degree vertical adjustment on the fly. Multiple flight modes enable both beginners and more experienced pilots to get the most out of this drone. The auto return, follow mode, tap to fly, and point of interest features give you all the flexibility you need to enjoy the landscape yourself while still capturing every moment. And a 30-minute flight time allows plenty of time to get the footage you need. At just over a pound, this drone is lightweight and portable enough to take with you wherever you go. Equipped with GPS technology and advanced flight control systems, this drone offers unparalleled stability and precision during flight. Enjoy up to an impressive 60 minutes of continuous flight time, allowing you to extend your adventures and capture more footage without interruption. The F11 Pro boasts a powerful brushless motor that ensures smooth and efficient performance, whether you're cruising through the skies or maneuvering in tight spaces. Experience the thrill of flying with confidence, knowing that this drone is equipped with robust safety features, including GPS auto return home functionality, ensuring a safe landing even in challenging conditions. Number 4. DRC D50. For an easy entry into drone photography, the DRC drone is a low-cost, decent quality option. The 2K Ultra HD camera shoots stills, video, and transmits real-time images to your phone. The controls are simple and varied: set a flight path with waypoints, control it by tipping your phone with gravity control, and give commands to the drone with voice and hand gesture control functions. The 12 to 15-minute flight time is fine for most hobbyists, as is the short 327-foot transmission range. Experience extended flight times with its long-lasting battery, allowing you to explore the skies for longer durations without interruption. Plus, with its durable construction, you can confidently take on outdoor challenges and capture breathtaking footage wherever your adventures take you. Elevate your flying experience with the DRC drone with camera and unlock a world of possibilities in aerial photography and exploration. Get ready to soar to new heights and capture unforgettable moments from a perspective like never before. Number 5. Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K Rugged Bundle. If you're looking for truly professional results, no matter the cost, look no further than the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro drone. The camera offers everything that you might need: 6K video at 60 frames per second, 20 megapixel stills, and an adjustable aperture. The flight capabilities are equally advanced. The 40-minute flight time can easily cover the 9-kilometer transmission range. And the 12 optical sensors and 2 sonar sensors provide omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to protect the drone from crashes. Complete with a rugged bundle, the Evo 2 Pro V3 is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor exploration, ensuring reliability and durability in any adventure. From its robust construction to its intelligent features, this drone is designed to empower you to push the boundaries of aerial imaging. The package includes 3 batteries, 4 spare propellers, a landing pad, and a hard carrying case for safe and easy transport to location. For professional results, this drone has everything you need.